Hi, everyone. It's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today as we close out this 2021 Christmas Countdown series on some easy projects that you can do to make your holiday extra special. I wanted to share a project that I have done several times, and but you may not have seen it, and just wanted to refresh your memory about it if you have. And it's making your own designer napkins with our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and an embossing folder. So here I have the Merry Medley embossing folder, and these are just some small cocktail napkins. You could use a larger napkin if it would fit within this frame. I've even done partial embossing on napkins for larger ones. But really, this is one my daughter had around the house. It's a Ray Dunn napkin. But you can see the embossed look of that on the napkin. And you can use any embossing folder that you have. But it works really the best on like dollar store napkins or napkins you can get at the big box store like Walmart or Costco. So anyway, you can get some solid colors, and holiday looks beautiful in white as well, and really makes a special presentation on your table. So you just lay that in here, all ply of it, and just fold it up, layer it as you should for your whatever Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine that you have. For this one, I use the platform, the one pad on top, and just ran it through. So anyway, whatever it is for you for doing embossing with embossing folders with cardstock, you would follow the same procedure for this. And you can really do this very quickly and have a stack of beautiful napkins for your holiday table. Okay, if you have any question, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com. Thank you so much for tuning in for this series. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I will be checking in with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.